Hey everyone, and welcome back to Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. I'm Stacy and I'm back again with Miss Aria. And today we have a cute fun hairstyle for you. Good hairstyle for school or just day to day. You can dress it up or you can dress it down. We really like doing hairstyles that are very versatile that younger girls like her can wear, or older girls and even adults can wear. So this is a great one. If you like this video, please be sure and give it a thumbs up and click subscribe down below. We would love to have you all as part of our little YouTube family here. Now, without any further ado, let's jump right on into the tutorial. Okay, so we're going to call this style the double Dutch ponytail, and we're just going to start it with her hair down, and we're going to make a part in the center. You can do a finger part, or if you want a precise part, you can take a comb and get a more precise part. To have it parted, you can take a hair tie and just secure one side out of the way while you start working on the other side. Her hair is extremely frizzy, so I like to do most braid styles wet or damp to try to incorporate as many of the flyaways as possible. So I've just sprayed some water in it, and I'm just going to comb that through, brush that through a little. Now we are going to start a Dutch braid. So we're just going to start here at the top. We're going to split it into 3, and a Dutch braid is just a reverse French braid. So instead of crossing your outside strands over your middle strand, you're going to cross them under your middle strand. So I've just finished braiding this down, and as you can see, I've braided it like straight back as opposed to bringing it around the side. And I just braided it down just a few stitches past where I finished adding in hair. I'm going to secure it temporarily with the little elastic while I do the same exact thing on the other side. Okay, so once you have your 2 Dutch braids, you are going to gather them together, remove the temporary elastic you had in the first one, and make a ponytail. And then just comb or brush through the ends. Now, once you have brushed through the ends, at this point, you can do whatever you want to with the remainder of the hair. You can leave it in a ponytail like we're going to, or you could have continued the braids on down and twisted them around each other and made a cute little braided bun here. You could have combined them and made a fishtail. There's so many different ways that you could style this. You could have just put it in a messy bun here. You could do a regular 3-strand braid. You can do that and then put it in a bun. So many things you could do with this style. We hope you enjoyed. If you did, please be sure and give the video a thumbs up, show us some love, and click subscribe down below. Don't forget to follow us on Facebook and Instagram at Sugar and Spice Hairstyles. And that's all for this one, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Bye.